Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice Harvard University interview exam question. So if we have the nice algebraic expression 4 divides 8 times 2 over 2. So we write this algebraic expression into the lowest or simplified form. I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. So calculator is not allowed in this problem, but if you use the calculator here, so a calculator gives us the wrong answer. So here and now we move toward the solution of this problem. So here first we write this algebraic expression into the one single line in which we can just combine the numerator and denominator. So we write this expression as in this form: 4 divides a times 2, and this is divided by 2. So we write our given question statement in this form. So you see that here we have there are three operations. The first is parentheses, and then we have multiply and division. So here you know about that the parenthesis gives us the first priority. So it means that we first solve the terms inside the parentheses, and further you know about that multiply and division has the same priority. Okay, so but where when both of these two signs are appears simultaneously, then we will just solve the expression from left side to right side. Okay, it means that here we start the solution from left side to right side. So here you see that this is the parenthesis, and now first we can solve this nice expression. Okay, so here we first write this 4 divides 2 as in the fraction form, and this will be written as 4 divides 8 times of 2, and this is divided by 2. And now here we need more simplifications, and you see that we have this is 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So this 2 and this 2 are also cancelled out by each other, and from here we get the value is 1 divided by 2. So this is 1 divides 2. We write this into the fraction form, and we have this is 1 divided by 2. So here this is the our final answer of the given question, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.